type 1 diabetes diagnosis story. About 54 years ago, I was finally diagnosed at the age of 12. I was an active child, but what seemed like a long time, I started getting very thirsty, peeing a lot, losing weight, and tired. My mom thought it was just growing pains at first. One of my mom's friends, who was a type 2 diabetic, did a urine test back then, and it was high. My mom took me to the doctor, and they did a blood test, which took a while back then, and he said it was just a little high, nothing to worry about. As time went on, I became sick, but didn't know what to do or how to get help because the doctor told us it was okay. One night, I actually had a seizure and had to go to the ER. They said I was an epileptic and prescribed medicine, which I had to take at bedtime, and it knocked me out. So the symptoms continued, and back to the doctor. Another blood test was done. Before we got results, I went into DKA and couldn't even raise my head because I was so dehydrated. Back to the ER, finally diagnosed with type 1 diabetes and hospitalized for a few weeks. I actually took myself off of the medicine for seizures when I felt better because I knew I didn't need it, but they insisted I did. I would throw it away at night. I knew I had a seizure because my blood sugar was so high, and I explained that later to my mom, and she understood. My point is this. It is a little better than 54 years ago, but the medical community has a long way to go. Doctors are not God, and we have to be our own advocates and stick together. Tara is right. A simple finger prick can save lives. Stay strong.